Hi, everyone. My name is Hannah Fox, and I am a support representative here at ProSymmetry, and today we'll be discussing report security. Users with a global role permission access reports will have access to the report management tile on their homepage. Their level of access, view, or edit to the global role permission access reports dictates whether or not the user can edit the reports that are shared with them or just view them. This permission also supersedes the report access configuration. Report management's report access area allows users to share their reports with other users, global roles, and resource security groups as view-only users or as owners that can also edit the report. In Tempus, you can share your reports with other users, global roles, and security groups, share reports with view-only users, share reports with users so they can edit the report, or keep your reports private by not sharing it with other users, global roles, and security groups. If you're an administrator in Tempus and have access to the admin settings, you can go ahead and click on that and go into role management. Within the global roles tab, you can scroll over to find the access reports permission. Here, you can click to see for the global role and choose either none, edit, or view. None will prohibit the user from seeing the report management tile on their homepage. Edit will allow the user to create new reports and also edit reports that are shared with them where they are the owner. And then view will only allow them to view the reports that are shared with them, but not be able to create any new reports. Users with the report management tile on their homepage can come in here, click on report access, and to be able to share their reports with other users. Here you can see the report name that they created, and then they can click on either report viewer or report owner. Report viewer will only share the report with them to view, and the underlying user will not be able to edit the report. Here you can choose the global roles, resource security groups, or individual users to view the report that is shared with them. Or you can come over here and click on report owner. And here you can select the global role, the resource security group, or an individual user where they can go ahead and edit the report that's shared with them. Additionally, if they only have view access to the report management tile, even if they are shared as a report owner, they will only be able to view the report and not edit it. Additionally, if they have the edit access in the role management and they are shared as a viewer, they can clone the report that they're shared with to go ahead and edit the report. Additionally, you can search in here as well for any report that's needed. If you want more information, please check out our Help Center or any other videos on this topic.